In this video, we will show you setting up and creating the chart layouts for analysis in TradingView and why data is delayed in index futures charts and what are continuous futures contracts and the real live chart layouts we use for our live trading.
Now I have loaded the premium version.
Now let's see how to create these chart layouts.
See 4 charts on the same screen, M and Q, analyze the daily chart, top-down analysis.
Let's see why index futures data is delayed
For Forex and stocks,
what are continuous futures contracts.
see the March, June, September MYM1 for Dow Jones, Nasdaq and S&P. The trading team at Trade Oxygen, when we take trades, we focus on, so these are daily 1 hour and 15 minutes. This is the 2-minute chart, and the best time to trade index futures is that wherever you live in the world, doesn't matter, you look at the markets at those times.
Okay, so this video is part 2, so make sure to watch part 1 of this video before this.
Okay, so the next important thing is to set up some chart layouts. So usually this is available in the premium version, and in the free version it may not allow you to create the chart layouts. Now before I create the chart layouts, let me show you the premium version charts we are using when we trade, so you can get an idea. So let me straight away now go from the free version into the premium version. Okay, so now I have loaded the premium version. So premium version is more sophisticated. So this is what we call as a chart layout, where now I can see 3 charts on one screen, and also you can have only, let's say, 1 chart on one screen like this, or as I said, now you can have 3 charts or even more.
Okay, now let's see how to create these chart layouts in TradingView.
Like you can have 7 charts, 8 charts, okay, 9, 10, 11, 12, likewise. But let's see whether this option is given in the free version. So let's now go into the free version and see. Okay, so now I'm in the free version, and if you want to create the layouts, what you have to do is just click on the symbol over here and say create new layout, and then you should get the options also. Now let's see whether you have those options in the free version. So if I click this arrow, you can see create new layout, right? You got that option. So you can see it says in the free version I can have only 1 saved chart. So in the free version it gives you the chance to analyze the market. However, it's not allowing you to create multiple layouts. For example, if you click here and if you try to break the screen into 3 charts, if you click this option, this is that one, it says you have 1 chart per tab. That means the free version. But to try it, you click on this and get a 30-day free trial of the premium. So you can see now those are the limitations of the free version. So you can start trading initially with the free version. However, after a while we recommend you to go for the premium version. Okay, so let's see how you can create these layouts in the premium version. Say if you want to create such a chart layout, you can click this and you can create a new layout. Then it's asking a name, let's say test layout for example. Then you can click open in a new tab and you can click save. So then it opens a chart in a new tab. Then you can customize it the way you want. Say if you want to see 4 charts on the same screen, you just click like that. So when you analyze charts, if you have this, it makes it easy for you to look into charts. For example, like I showed you earlier, if you want 3, so you can analyze. So here you can put the, let's say, the daily chart. Here you can put the hourly chart. Likewise, so for example, in this, if I click and if I type M and Q, let's say I can load the December contract. Then I can click on this again, M and Q, the December contract. So this is how you would do, and then on this one you click and you load the MNQ December contract. Once again you need the paid premium version for this. You can try the 30-day free trial and see all these features. And then let's say in this you can click and say you want to analyze the daily chart. So now this is the daily chart of that contract. Then you click this and say you want to analyze the hourly chart, because when you analyze, you need to analyze multiple charts to get idea. And let's say this is the 15-minute chart. So why did I do it like this? Because in our strategy, we will need to analyze these multiple charts. We call it as top-down analysis. You will see that we'll be using it when we trade.
Okay, let's see what's next.
So when you have multiple charts, it's all saved on the internet. So you don't have to worry. It's saved on TradingView Cloud. So you can load whatever the charts you create, you can load them from here. You can say load layout and load any of the charts on any of your computers. So it's easy to have this multiple chart layouts.
Okay, now let's see why index futures data is delayed in TradingView.
Okay, so the next important thing to understand is the data is delayed in index futures charts. So what that means is for Forex and stocks, you get real-time live data in TradingView. However, when you are looking at index futures charts, you get delayed data. The reason is because there's a cost you have to pay to get real-time data because TradingView is connecting you to the real exchange. So you need to pay that fee to get the real-time data. However, at this stage in this course, you don't need to get the live data. We will show you how to get live data on a future lesson. So far, what I'm telling is you can do all the price action in the free version. Okay. However, in the free version, you can see there's a letter D here. This letter D says the data is delayed by, let's say, 15 minutes. So what you see is delayed data, meaning you don't see the live data because you are getting the real-time data with a delay of 15 minutes. So every trader who trade index futures will have a way to get live data. We will show it to you in future. For example, if you have the TradingView premium version, I'm giving example, then by paying around, let's say, for example, $8 a month, you can get the live data. That is one option. There are other options where when you trade live funds, we will show you that you can get live data using other options. So you don't need to worry about any of those now at this stage. At this stage, what we want you to understand is you can do all the analysis in the free version, but with a slightly delayed data.
Okay, now let's see what are continuous futures contracts in TradingView.
Okay, so there's one final thing on TradingView. What are continuous futures contracts? So there is a concept called continuous futures contracts. You can read more about it by looking at this link. So in that link, it explains what are continuous futures contracts. So it says a continuous futures contract are artificial financial instruments linking multiple individual futures contracts with different expiration dates. So it's basically telling it's connecting those futures contracts. Remember the futures contracts we said earlier? See the March, June, September, December. So continuous futures means it's connecting these March, June, September, December, and it's showing you as one chart so that you don't need to change the symbol every time a contract expires, because otherwise when the March contract expires you have to go and change the symbol in TradingView to June. When that expires you have to go and change it to September. But if you use continuous futures contracts, you don't have to change the symbol as the data will roll over automatically as it's explained here. And the couple of other benefits is that when you trade, put actual trade entries using through TradingView, when you have the continuous futures chart loaded, TradingView will automatically place your trade into the most recent contract. So you don't have to worry of changing the contract. So the symbols are basically MYM1 for Dow Jones continuous futures contract, MNQ1 exclamation is for the continuous contract of Nasdaq, and this is for the S&P. So here you don't say whether it's 2024 or something like that, because otherwise you have to say, for example, you have to say MNQ H 2024 for the March 2024 contract. Otherwise you have to say M 2024 U for the September. But in continuous futures you don't have that part. You simply say MNQ number one exclamation. So when we trade, we use continuous futures charts. As you can see here, what I have loaded here is MNQ1 exclamation. So instead of loading the December 2024 chart, what I have loaded is MNQ1, the continuous. So when you practice the price action, it will be easy for you to load. Instead of the most recent exact contract, you can load this symbol and do the price action analysis like what we are doing. So what we are doing here is all our charts, we have loaded the continuous futures contract, which is MNQ1. If it's Nasdaq, if you are trading S&P, if it be MES1 likewise. Okay, so the benefit is that you don't have to change the symbol. So over here, just click this and type MNQ and just load this and load the MNQ1, not 2, MNQ1 exclamation, and then it loads the continuous futures contract. So the benefit is when you look for price action data, you can see beyond 3 months, like I'm showing over here. You can see beyond 3 months. Otherwise, if you take the most recent contract, you will see the price action only for 3 months. But this one, you can see the historical price action beyond 3 months as well, which will help you in analysis.
Okay, now let us see how we have set up our real live chart layouts we use for our live trading when we trade in TradingView.
So when we trade, we got a couple of final chart layouts. Let me bring them back. So we, the trading team at Trade Oxygen, when we take trades, we focus on micro E-mini Nasdaq index futures. So in all of these, we have load MNQ1 exclamation. So this is the daily chart as I told. Then this is, if you look here, you can see we have changed it to 1 hour chart. So this is a daily, 1 hour, and this is a 15 minute. We got 3 charts in the layout. And then we got a separate 15 minute because that's easy for us. So that means we have created multiple layouts. Like, so we have created, say, we have clicked this and created the first layout. And then we have again clicked this and created the second layout, this one. Then we have created another one, basically like using the same option, create new layout. We have created another one with 4 windows, and again it's the same continuous futures contract for MNQ1 for micro E-mini Nasdaq index futures. In all these windows it's the same thing. Only difference is this is the 5-minute chart, this is the 3-minute chart, this is the 2-minute chart, and this is the 1-minute. So this is our chart layout. So we got a lot of messages asking what are our chart layouts. So this will show you the chart layouts we are using. So that this is in the premium version. So the question is, at this stage, do you have to pay and get the premium version? The answer is no, you don't have to. You can work with the free version. Then only thing, you don't have multiple charts, you don't have multiple layouts, it's just one chart. So what you have to do here is, you just click MNQ and you can load the continuous futures contract, okay? Because you got only one chart. And after that, when you are analyzing, for example, when we are showing the daily chart, okay, for example, on the daily chart, if I click this, we can expand it like this, and I can shrink it back, daily chart. Then what you have to do is simply click here and click the daily chart, and then whatever we are showing, you can see it in your daily chart. Change the colors into the same symbols like I showed you earlier, so it will identically look like us, but it's delayed 15 minutes. That's also not a problem at this stage, because at this stage your goal is to first learn the price action and trading, and towards the end of this lessons we will show you how to get the real-time data and connect to a broker when you are ready to trade live funds, live money. Until that, we will be learning price action and doing paper trading. And then let's say if we are telling you to use the 1 hour chart, let's say if I do like this, and if it's 1 hour chart, what you have to do in your free version is simply click here and just click the 1 hour. So that way you can see the same 1 hour chart what we see. As you can see it's the identical chart, just change the colors only. So you can see this is the free version with delayed data, this is the paid version with the real-time data. However, you can see it has identical price action. Only thing, somewhere here in the corner you get delayed data, but don't worry about that. You can do the price action with the delayed data until you learn the price action and the clear logic of trading. And for example, let's say if I'm showing you 3-minute chart, like over here, I have 4 of them. What you need to do is simply on your free version, just click and just load the 3-minute chart. So this is the premium version. See, there's no delay here, but if I go to the free version, it's the same 3-minute chart, but it's delayed data. However, you can see now, see, this is the premium version which we are using, and this will be the free version which you are using with slightly delayed data. Only thing, in the premium version we can do things like have multiple charts. In the free version you can't. That's all fine.
Okay, let's see what's next.
Okay, so once you understand our final chart layouts, that is the end of this section. So you learn about what is TradingView. So it's a charting platform. We use it for setup charts and analysis. Analysis means we can analyze the chart and price action, which we are going to teach you in the upcoming lessons. It's important to set the time zone into the New York time zone, because then only you will be in line with what we are teaching. Doesn't matter where you live in the world. That's another important thing. Some of our students are in USA, in London, in Canada, in France, Germany, Japan, in India. So doesn't matter where you live. You just set the time zone into the New York time zone, because when you trade index futures, the best time to trade index futures is the New York Stock Exchange opening time, that is between 8:30 a.m. in New York time to around 11 o'clock. 9:30 is the stock exchange opening time. So wherever you live in the world, doesn't matter. You just look at the markets at those times, and then you saw that you can change the time intervals from daily to 1 hour to 15. We call this as top-down analysis. You will see that in future lessons. So our next step is now to go and start analyzing the charts and to guide you how to take real trades.
If you would like to learn the trading strategies we use, click the link given in the description below to access the full free course and use that knowledge to get funded and start trading like a professional. Okay, so it's the end of the video and we will see you in another video.